Hello world! On Entertainment Tonight news, after a 3-week trial, Asap Rocky have been found not guilty in the two felony counts as assault with semi-automatic firearm. Emotions were high in the court and upon hearing the first not guilty verdict, Asap immediately rushed to Rihanna and the two shared a hug. Rihanna began to cry as she hugged other members of Asap's defense team. The rapper teared up while hugging his legal team and said, "Thank you all for saving my life," and made prayer hands as the jury left. Asap Mom was also in attendance and she thanked everyone for their support upon leaving the courtroom, hugging people who had covered the trial. As Asap exit the courtroom with his family, Rihanna could hear saying, "Oh my God," what a big smile on her face. Outside the courtroom, Asap told reporters this whole experience has been crazy these last 4 years. But I am thankful, nonetheless is blessed to be here right now, to be a free man talking to you. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.